Hello everyone, welcome to another video announcement. I hope you're having a very good week. As you know, we are in the middle of Module 4. There are two parts to it. In Part 1, we have hopefully taken our SIGI 3 assessment by this point and have discussed it on the discussion board. We've been looking at study habits. That's opening up in Part 2 of Module 4. And so there's a discussion about the textbook reading and how you can incorporate those tips into your own habits. By the end of Module 4, which is coming up on Sunday, there are two main assignments that are coming due. The second draft of your IDP needs to be completely filled out and turned in. After you've turned in your IDP, you can meet with your assigned advisor to go over the completed IDP and to ask any questions you may have at that point. You do have a few days after the date of submission of the IDP, which is Sunday the 4th, to make that appointment with your advisor. But all interviews should be done by the following Friday, June 9th, by the end of the business day. As well, your group project is also coming due the last day of Module 4. That's on June 4th. So if you have any questions about that, I know several of you have contacted me or Kelly about the parameters of the project. We intended that to be a little open, that your group can discover how they want to present whatever you've come up with. Please think of it as a time to pitch your product that you've developed, not only its feasibility, but how much financing it might take to start producing your product, how it would be sustained, and of course what it would do or the problem it might solve in the community. I hope you have enjoyed this group project. Coming up at the end of this module, you will also have a chance to give participation grades for those in your group. So that will be a chance for you to give feedback to your peers on how well they participated in the group process and how they contributed to the final outcome. Coming up in Module 5, there are two parts again. It opens tomorrow. We'll be working on our e-portfolios, and there will be some resources that are in the course to help you do that. But I also want to remind you that you should have received an invitation to an e-portfolio workshop at our office on Grant Avenue at Boise State. So if you are able to attend that, please come, and what the things we will be covering are the very same things that are in your course resources in ePortfolio section, as well as on the MDS website, the page that talks about ePortfolios. But you're welcome to come in person and learn that way as well. It's on Thursday, June 8th from 5 to 7 p.m. So I hope to see many of you there and meet you in person. Also coming up in Module 5, we will be talking about learning styles and using critical thinking in our upcoming courses and the courses we will interact with. And then there will be a chance to peer review your reflection paper so that you can get another pair of eyes looking at how you're doing that. So you need to be starting to write that in Module 5, and then you will submit it to a discussion board for one of your peers to review, and you will also review their reflection paper. Please let me know if you have any questions about this or other parts of the course. As you can see, the course is going very quickly. Summertime tends to do that. But I hope that you're keeping up, and if you do feel like you're getting behind or something is keeping you from giving your full attention to the course, please let me or your advisors know about that. And if I don't hear from you, I will definitely see you online. Thanks.